Oh, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty and I'm going to buy fish and chips. Oh, this is coming back again to be rough road. This is just kid fish and chips. So just one piece of fish and chips and one ginger beer, and the total is $9. I don't like the regular fish and chips, which is cost $11. Too much for me. I forgot to mention that I want the chicken salt. Nice. There are some people, they are doing the paddle board. The water is really calm. Nice. And here also there is one guy is doing the paddle board. It looks really relaxed. Looks easy, but I think it's difficult, or maybe similar to when you are biking. You need to keep moving to keep your life balance. I noticed that the environment is really clean, and then I saw some worker, yeah, the employee of the council, and they are cleaning, like a general cleaning of the environment. This tastes like a ginger. That's why it's ginger beer. Too sweet. The paddle boarder guy is now reaching here. There is also one guy who is just swimming, and there is a group of people in there, like a picnic. Thank you. Yeah, the kid, he is unable to get up here. Now he's walking. And we are now here in the Albura Marina. Yeah, if you know that place, that spot, that was my favorite spot before. Maybe for 2 years I was just sitting there. Every after work I come here, I sit there for a little bit and then bike around. That's what I usually do. At the moment there are many people, yeah, in there. And I almost finished this. This is Saxby Original Stone Ginger Beer, and this is product of Australia. And you know, this bottle, if you put it in the recycle center, it's cost 10 cents. Let me show you this. Sea urchins winning entry from Sculptures by the Bay 2011 by artist Kelly Ann Lees. That's basically the one, the sea urchins. And I'm just going to throw this in the bin. There are many people in there. You will notice that no one is wearing masks, because you know, here in New South Wales, here in Australia, mask is not requires. What is imposed in here is social distancing. Also, yeah, there's no more new cases. I mean, no local transmission in here. The new cases are basically the foreigner that is coming, the Australian that is coming from other country. But they are in isolation, they are contained. The cases here are contained. So most of the people are somehow feeling the freedom of going around. But of course, we still worry a little bit because we never know. Okay, that's it. We're going home now. I just feel like walking always in here because it's beautiful looking. Oh, look at that. Yeah, all the leaves on that side is already gone. Oh, there's again dog. They leave the dog outside. Of course, dog can't go inside the supermarket. I'm going to bring this bottle at home because you know, my landlord is collecting this kind of thing. Okay, we are home. It's already 3:07. And I'm going to make a coffee, and I will be just in the computer. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going home now. Today I finished at 2 o'clock. On the roster it's 1 o'clock, but because it's busy, yeah, I didn't ask them if I need to go home, but I just keep on working. And then at 2 o'clock I go home. Yeah, we did 171 today for breakfast. Never less than 150 since the hotel opened last June 1. So it's more than a month already. Very fast. I was supposed to be day of tomorrow, but yeah, chef changed all the roster. I mean, all the schedule of the guys that is going to be day of tomorrow. I was supposed to be 3 days off, tomorrow, Sunday, and then Monday. But like what I said, the customer, this is the guy that is staying there already. Yeah, like every morning, it's still dark in the morning and I see his light in there. And I'm actually planning to go to Sydney using this bike. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Yeah, but yeah, like what I said, the roster has changed. I will have just 2 days off. It's more than March, April, May, June. Yeah, it's around 3-4 months that I never been to Sydney. Yeah, many kids are on their bike today. If I am going to Sydney with my bike, yeah, I'm not going to the Pacific Highway because in Pacific Highway, yeah, there's nothing to see in there. but I'm going to through the small town along the coastal area, going to Sydney. Oh, again, like yesterday, there is one guy doing the paddleboard. There is also one lady in there. Maybe she's just resting. We're going to the grocery to buy something to eat. Yeah, I don't have food in the house. This is how it is here today. Yeah, actually, the temperature, I don't know, maybe 20 or 18 degrees. Not very cold. Last night when I was in the room, it was not really cold, so yeah, it's okay without the heater. Yeah, some trees doesn't have leaves anymore. I remember when I went to Canberra, all the leaves, they are all gone. Yeah, the temperature is just 18 degrees, not very cold. I remember when I was in the Philippines, we don't know. I mean, I don't know what is the temperature. I mean, we don't care. We are not aware. Because we always feel hot and humid. I just become very particular in the temperature when I was in Dubai, because very hot in Dubai. I don't know actually what I'm going to buy. Maybe yeah, sardines or tuna, the same like always. And long time that I never had this instant noodles. We're going to take this. This is just $2.75, 5 pieces. We're going to try this one. This is $1.75. Chunky beef and vegetable. No, I don't like. I don't know. I think this is enough. I'm not decided. I will be back tomorrow, but I'm going to take at least tomato sauce. Oh, this one. This is just no. Oh, this one. A classic tomato basil, $2. And egg. Yeah, this is the cheapest egg here in Woolworth. The rest are expensive. Like this is $5, but this one is just $3.50, 12 pieces. And we are now home. I also bought this chicken. This is $5. Yeah, 3 pieces. Yeah, I wish I had rice, but yeah, just now I need to cook the rice.